What's up, guys? It's Spam for Breakfast, back with another review. Today we got something a little special for you. We are out and about in my vehicle, and we are trying Dave's Hot Chicken.
New restaurant in town.
There's a lot of hype about this place on like Instagram and social media in general.
Sitting right outside, just got our food still fresh and hot. Can't wait.
Yeah, let's check it out. All right, so we thought we would get the combo number 3, which is a mixture. It is 1 chicken tender and 1 chicken slider. I believe the number 1 is your chicken tenders, the number 2 is your sliders, and number 3 combines them. So we thought we would try both.
Also worth noting that they come with a slice of bread for some reason. All the tenders do.
Well, that's pretty standard with hot chicken, especially out in Nashville, yeah.
I was unaware of that.
This is kind of what it looks like. So there it is. There's the combo number 3 from Dave's Hot Chicken. I got mine with cheese fries. Keenan got his regular, so we will be trying both versions of that. Yeah, it looks pretty damn good. Smells amazing. Let's check
Comes
it
with
out.
that sauce too. This is Dave's sauce. I haven't had it. Not sure what to expect.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, man. Oh, we should also note
We got shakes. That's
we
right.
got shakes. I got vanilla.
I got chocolate. Wish I got vanilla.
Vanilla's pretty good. Doesn't come. It's nothing special. Comes in a plain white cup. No whipped cream, no cherry, nothing like that.
This is a small, too.
Yeah, it was like $4 for a small.
The large is $5.
Overall, this meal was like $20, which is pretty expensive, but
Yeah.
the line was out the door when we got there, and it's only growing now.
Right.
We kind of beat the lunch rush, I would say, but
Sure did.
it didn't take too long.
No, well, like 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm gonna start with the fry here.
I'm gonna steal one of your plain fries.
Oh man,
We're off to a good start.
that's fantastic. Those are great. I'm gonna try it in that sauce, even though I have no idea what the sauce is. I don't really know what that sauce is.
It's it kind of tastes like
It's like Big Mac sauce.
like a special sauce.
Yeah.
Mustard. There's definitely mustard in there.
Mm.
Maybe some mayo. Like, pretty good though. I like the flavor of
Yeah.
it.
That's very good. I'm gonna dip a fry in my shake real quick.
Well, I suppose I should do that as well. Part of
These
the
fries are
experience.
seasoned a little differently, but that was still very good.
Yeah, I love how crispy they are. I'm not usually a big fan of the crinkle cut fries, but these are really good.
They're good. That sauce is good too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
You want
man.
to try a cheese fry?
Yeah, dude, I do. Get...
Camera view looks great.
Does it? That's disgusting.
Okay.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's just some cheese on fries, but it's good.
Yeah, it's pretty. The
I think-
cheese is nothing special. It's pretty
Right, yeah.
standard. But
It's still good.
the cheese on these fries with the seasoning is really nice.
Mm-hmm. I'm doing it with cheese and sauce.
Good idea.
Okay, I can't hold myself back. I'm going for a bite of this sandwich. Sandwich.
Cheese and sauce is good.
Did we mention that the whole thing is it's Dave's Hot Chicken, and you have to pick how hot you want it?
Yeah, so there's like a whole spectrum of heat you can choose from.
Yes, and we both just got hot. What is
Mhm.
this? Oh, honey.
Nice.
Why'd they give honey? It's oh, there's ketchup too. I gotta try some ketchup on my fries. But yeah.
Yeah, you get some slaw on the bottom of your sandwich with some pickles and what appears to be, I think that might be the honey, like a honey sauce.
Oh, yeah?
I could be wrong about that, but
I'm gonna get a shot of that slaw. I didn't realize there was slaw on the bottom.
all right, I'm going for it. Oh yeah, that is delicious.
This made my year.
Yeah, man. The
It's
only
February, and this made my year.
the only spicy chicken sandwich I could really compare this to is the time I was out in Nashville and tried some of those because they're kind of known for that, and really, really good.
Oh my god, this is good. Holy crap.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try a bite of just the chicken on the tender here.
That is probably some of the most moist chicken I have ever had in my entire life. Holy crap, man.
The seasoning is incredible.
That's not very hot. I was expecting it to be hotter.
It's got some heat to it, but it's not like overbearing.
Yeah.
I love it. It tastes like Nashville hot chicken, which it should because you know it comes with the classic white bread on the bottom, which is kind of that tradition. And yeah, just the combination of spices and how fresh and crispy the chicken is. It's really, really good. And they're huge.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I can see the hype. I can see the hype.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, that's good.
Last bite. I'm gonna try a pickle, and then we should wrap this up.
All right. You sure you don't want to just film the whole time we eat our meals? It's like an hour long. Let's just sit in the vehicle eating. This slaw on the bottom here is really good.
We'll just do a long form discussion.
Yeah.
I'm going for tender and sauce.
Ooh, good call.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude. This is amazing.
Wish I could eat it every day.
Me too. I do wish I had some water though.
Me too. I'm like really thirsty.
Yeah, me too. The smoked chicken isn't helping with that.
Should we go through like a McDonald's drive-thru?
Should stop at Quick Trip and get some water anyway.
Alright.
Did you try a pickle?
I did.
Smell great. Good pickle. Yeah. This is awesome, man.
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to pass on now.
Pass on.
I've had my last meal on this earth.
Last supper.
I could die happy.
It was $20, but
Worth it.
It'll fill you up.
Worth every cent. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to keep eating
Me too.
forever.
I don't want to get full.
No. More of a pickle. This is amazing. I don't know if we were planning on rating these in any way, but I don't even know how.
Mm-hmm.
This has set the bar so high. Oh. I'm upset that I'm getting full.
Me too.
It's just me, or is it getting hot in here?
Yeah, I'm warming up for sure. Windows down.
It's gorgeous. Either way, it's just a crunchy. It's awesome. Luke,
Mm.
I'm gonna say something here. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Best fried chicken I have ever had. Ever. In my several years of life.
It's hard to argue with that.
Yeah.
The only place I can really compare this to is when I was out in Nashville.
Well, yeah, I don't.
Yeah,
Sorry.
but considering where we are, anywhere even near us,
Nothing like this, right?
yeah, nothing beats this.
I was thinking there's a place, what's that called? It's a pub. It has good fried food, but that being said, it's not like this.
Mm-hmm.
My brother made fried chicken for us once, which was good, but it wasn't like this. There's that KFC down the road.
Yeah.
God.
It's all just simply incredible.
Dude, I'm so satisfied. Today is a good day, man.
Mm-hmm.
I want to take a nap.
And you know what? We have more to eat when we want to.
Yeah. Just the trash bag. I wonder how those fries would be without the seasoning. You know, if they'd still be that crispy and everything.
Right.
Because that'd be amazing. That was kind of weird.
Yeah.
That was strange. What the fuck? It's got him to stare down.
Mm-hmm. I feel like washing my hands.
Yeah, I know.
We're going to Quick Trip?
Yeah.
Man,
That was good.
that was awesome. It's not often that the hype lives up
Yeah, right.
to what people are raving about. Man, it's a perfect day. Dave, you've outdone yourself, I'll tell you what.
It should be called Dave's Dankest Gourmet Chicken or something.
Yeah. Dave's holy shit, that's good chicken.
Dave's best chicken on fucking planet Earth.
This guy gonna let me fucking go or what? Come on, speed it up, Grandma. I'm trying to think if I need anything from here other than water. Maybe I'll get a Red Bull.
What time is it? It's too late for me to have a Red Bull.
It's not even one.
It's too late for me to have a Red Bull.
Are we cutting the video?
Yeah, we don't need to vlog our trip to Quick Trip. Trip to Quick Trip.
What's up, guys? It's Fan for Breakfast, here for another review. This one's a little different. Today we are trying. Fuck. Oh shit.
Oh, dude.
All right, hold on. We gotta start this over. We're still learning.